Hi everyone, welcome to V's Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I blended this melon seed, popularly known as Egusi in Nigeria. This melon seed can last you for long without spoiling. All you need to do is watch till the end to see how I made it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and also comment. So let's begin. On a low heat, I'll place my pan and I'll go in with my melon seed. Like I said, on a low heat, this is so that your seed does not get burnt. So you must do this on a low heat. All I need to do is to give it a good stir for at least 5 minutes. Once you notice some popping, you turn off your heat and proceed to the next process. I'm going to blend this with my blender. Note, you're not meant to put much in your blender. I'll blend this bit by bit till I'm done blending all my melon seed. Just look how well it is blended. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, this is the best time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is totally free. You're not charged for it. You subscribe to see more of my videos. You can also like and leave a comment in this video. Once I'm done with the first set, I blend the second set and my melon seed is well blended. All I need to do is to leave it to cool and turn to my jar. I'll close it tight and use whenever I want to use it. Note, this does not spoil easily. And here you have a well blended melon seed, popularly known as Egusi in Nigeria. If you have any question, do have to put in the comment section and also leave a comment telling me what you think about this method. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful, comment and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.